Congratulations to Mr. Mazzoli, the Mast Person of the Week. Here are what students and staff members had to say about Mr. Mazzoli. Mr. Mazzoli is so helpful. He is always ready to volunteer for trips, for community service. He is an innovator, and he doesn't look for credit in any of the spaces where he works so diligently for our students. Mr. Mazzoli wears many hats, and he makes it look easy. He is very humble and able to connect with our scholars. Mr. Mazzoli is a cool teacher. He listens to us and uses our ideas in the class. Mr. Mazzoli volunteers for many roles at Mast, from PTA to SLT to NHS advisor, chaperoning trips and other endeavors, while also really helping students increase their community service and give back to others. Kudos to Mr. Mazzoli, the Mast Person of the Week.